You have probably used at least one of these, maybe all three. But which one is actually the best? ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. 3 AI tools that millions of people use every single day, and yet most people are using the wrong one for what they actually need. In this video I am going to settle this debate once and for all. I tested all 3 on the same exact tasks: writing, coding, research, creativity, and accuracy, and the results genuinely surprised me. Stay until the end because the winner is not who most people think it is. And I am also going to tell you exactly which one you should be using based on what you actually do every day. Let's get into it. Before we start, I want to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. I have no deal with any of these companies. This is just an honest breakdown based on real testing. I am going to give you the truth, not marketing. All 3 of these tools have a free version. All 3 are genuinely impressive, but they are built differently, they think differently, and they are good at very different things. Understanding those differences will save you hours every single week. Let's start with the one everyone knows, ChatGPT. Made by OpenAI, ChatGPT is the tool that started this entire revolution. When it launched in late 2022, it changed everything overnight. And in 2026, it is still the most widely used AI tool on the planet. What ChatGPT is genuinely great at: it is the most versatile all-rounder. It can write, code, analyze data, generate images, browse the web, and handle complex multi-step tasks. The free version is solid. The paid version is exceptional. I tested ChatGPT on 5 tasks. Writing a professional email, excellent. Explaining a complex topic simply, very good. Writing clean working code, strong. Answering a factual question accurately, good but not perfect. Creative brainstorming, surprisingly impressive. But here is where ChatGPT struggles. It can be overconfident. It sometimes presents wrong information with complete confidence, which is dangerous if you are not checking its work. It also has a tendency to be a little generic. Its writing often sounds like AI writing unless you push it hard with specific prompts. The other thing worth knowing, ChatGPT's free version in 2026 is more limited than it used to be. You hit usage caps faster, and the most powerful model is locked behind a subscription. Who should use ChatGPT? If you need one tool that does everything reasonably well, and you are willing to learn how to prompt it properly, ChatGPT is your best starting point. It has the biggest ecosystem, the most integrations, and the most tutorials available online. Next up, Gemini. Made by Google, Gemini is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and in 2026, it has become genuinely competitive in ways it simply was not 2 years ago. Here is what makes Gemini different from everyone else. It is deeply integrated with Google's entire ecosystem. If you use Mail, Google Docs, Google Drive, YouTube, or Google Search, Gemini has access to all of it. That is a massive advantage that ChatGPT and Claude simply cannot match right now. I tested Gemini on the same 5 tasks. Writing a professional email, good, especially when it pulled context from my mail history. Explaining a complex topic, very clear and well structured. Writing code, decent but not as strong as ChatGPT or Claude. Answering factual questions, this is where Gemini shines. Because it is connected to Google Search in real time, it pulls current accurate information better than the others. Creative brainstorming, average. The biggest strength of Gemini is real-time information. Ask it about something that happened yesterday and it knows. Ask ChatGPT or Claude the same question on their free tiers, and they may not have that data. The weakness of Gemini is personality. It can feel a little robotic and corporate compared to the other 2. Its writing is accurate but sometimes lacks the natural human flow you get from Claude or a well-prompted ChatGPT response. Who should use Gemini? If you live inside Google's ecosystem, and most people do, Gemini is incredibly powerful because of how it connects everything together. It is also the best choice if you frequently need current real-world information. And now, Claude. Made by Anthropic. Claude is the one that most people outside the tech world have not fully discovered yet. And honestly, that is a mistake, because in my testing, Claude did something none of the others did consistently. It made me feel like I was talking to someone who actually understood what I was asking. Here is what Claude is genuinely exceptional at: long-form writing, nuanced reasoning, and handling complex documents. If you give Claude a 50-page PDF and ask it to summarize, analyze, and answer questions about it, it does this better than any other AI right now. If you need something written that does not sound like I wrote it, Claude is your best option. I tested Claude on the same 5 tasks. Writing a professional email, the best of the 3, most natural, most human sounding. Explaining a complex topic, outstanding. It does not just give you the answer, it makes sure you actually understand it. Writing code, very strong, especially at explaining what the code does and why. Answering factual questions, good, but it is honest when it does not know something rather than making things up. Creative brainstorming, the most interesting and original ideas of the three. Claude's weakness is that its free tier has conversation limits, and it does not have real-time internet access on the free version. Who should use Claude? Writers, researchers, students, analysts, and anyone who works with large amounts of text. If your work involves reading, writing, and thinking deeply, Claude is your tool. So, who wins? Here is my honest answer. There is no single winner, and anyone who tells you there is one best buy for everyone is either selling something, or has not actually tested all three properly. But here is the practical guide based on what you actually need. If you need an all-round tool, and you are just starting with AI, start with ChatGPT. It has the most resources, tutorials, and community support to help you learn fast. If you are already inside Google's world, and you need real-time accurate information, use Gemini. Let it connect to your Gmail and Drive and watch how much time it saves you. If your work involves serious writing, research, reading long documents, or you need an AI that reasons carefully rather than just answers quickly, use Claude. It is the most thoughtful of the three. And here is the real secret that nobody tells you. The best approach in 2026 is to use all three for different tasks. They are all free to start. There is no rule that says you can only use one. The people winning with AI right now are not the ones who found the perfect single tool. They are the ones who understand what each tool is good at and use them strategically. That is your edge. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe because I do this every week. Honest, clear comparisons of AI tools with no hype and no sponsorships. Just real testing and real results. And I have linked a video right here that covers the exact AI prompts that will save you the most time this week. That is your next step. I will see you in that one.